Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back in our science online class. In previous video, we already have learned about pollination. So what is meant by pollination? Pollination means transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of same flower or different flower. So this is called the pollination. Pollination, there are two kinds of pollination, self pollination and cross pollination. Okay, so now today we are going to learn more about fertilization. Fertilization means what? Actually students, fertilization means fusion of male and female gametes. What is meant by fertilization? The fusion of male and female gamete form a zygote, that is called the fertilization. जब मेल गैमेट और फीमेल गैमेट यूनाइट होते हैं, फ्यूज होते हैं, तब हम उसी को फर्टिलाइजेशन कहते हैं. ओके, सो ये ऑलरेडी वी हैव लर्न दैट फ्लावर हैज टू पार्ट्स, मेल पार्ट दैट इज कॉल्ड पिस्टिल and female part that is called endoecium. So gynoecium is that is the female part, endoecium is that is the male part. So these male and female parts produces gametes. Male and female parts of the flower produces gametes. For example, endoecium produces pollen grain. Yes or no? Endoecium produces pollen grain. So pollen grain is the male gamete or female gamete then? Yeah, very good, male gamete. Pollen grain is also called pollen grain or anther called male gamete. So say at the same time female also produces gamete, that is called the egg. So egg is also called female gamete. Okay, understood? So ovary produces ova, that ova or ovules called female gametes. Now understood male gamete and female gametes. Pollen grain is called male gamete and egg or ovule or ova called female gamete. So these two gametes come together. These two gametes means male and female gametes comes together. That process is called fertilization. So how these two gametes come together? So after the pollination they come together. Actually what happens students, during the pollination pollen grain from the anther lands on stigma. क्या होता है, वो पोलन ग्रेन एंथर से निकल के स्टिग्मा के ऊपर आके बैठता है और वो कौन लाता है? इंसेक्ट्स, honey bees, sometimes human being, sometimes due to the wind also. Okay, so that process is called fertilization. So I am going to explain now fertilization process students. See how the fertilization takes place and how the zygote is formed. Fertilization means simple thing, first only I said fusion or union of male and female gamete. Now see, during the pollination what happened? This pollen grain, suppose this is the pollen grain. So during the pollination this pollen grain come and lands here on the top of the pistil or stigma. जो भी फीमेल स्ट्रक्चर है उसके ऊपर ये पोलन ग्रेन आके स्टिक हो जाएगा. लैंड बाय द एजेंट्स लाइक विंड, हनी बीज, human being, whatever agents are there. Okay, so after the landing these pollen grain or pollen, okay, what happens? So first only I said this top end of stigma is sticky in nature. ये जो टॉप का एंड होता है स्टिग्मा का, वो कैसे होता है? स्टिकी होता है, liquid, because stigma secretes sticky liquids. So with the help of that sticky liquids these pollen grain get the nutrients. So pollen get the nutrients from the sticky juice which is secreted by, which is produced by stigma, and these pollen grain grow. Okay, so pollen grain get the secretion from the stigma, that is called the nutrient, and grow here and develop the tube like structure. वो क्या करता है, ये स्टिग्मा जब यहाँ पे आता है वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब करता है और वो ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर ग्रो करता है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? हु? पोलन ग्रेन. So this tube like structure grow till it reaches to the ovary, because we know that at the bottom of the stigma there is a ovary. Yes or no? And inside ovary what are there? Ovule. Okay. तो ये जो पोलन ग्रेन की ट्यूब है, this is called male structure or male gamete. Yes or no? So this male gamete is producing tube-like structure, and inside this tube there are two male gametes. How many? Two male gametes are there. Okay. So these two male gametes, they come towards the ovary. There is inside the ovary ovules are there, means egg. So this one male gamete come here and meet and fuse with the female gamete which is present inside the ovary. Okay, जो male gamete है, out of these two male gametes, one male gamete कहाँ पे fuse होता है? egg के साथ fuse होता है. Okay, and they fuse together and form a zygote. So by this way the male gamete move towards the female gamete inside the ovary and fuse together. This process is called fertilization. Clear? Understood? How this male gamete reach to the female gamete. Clear, student? So after the fertilization, what happened? After the fertilization, zygote is formed. Means जब मेल एंड फीमेल गैमेट फ्यूज होते हैं तो एक सेल फॉर्म होती है और उस सेल के अंदर दोनों में गैमेट रहते हैं, मेल एंड फीमेल, एंड देन दे डेवलपमेंट ऑफ फ्रूट टेक्स प्लेस. देखो जैसे ही फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है स्टूडेंट्स, उसके बाद जाइगोट फॉर्म होता है. ओके, एंड आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जाइगोट डेवलपमेंट्स इनटू एम्ब्रियो. उसके बाद क्या होता है? एम्ब्रियो डेवलप होता है. ओके, सो फ्रूट्स एंड सीड फॉर्मेशन. सो आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जाइगोट, दैट जाइगोट डेवलप इनटू द फ्रूट. वो जाइगोट डेवलप होता है फ्रूट में. इसका मतलब फर्स्ट फ्लावर, देन उसके बाद फ्रूट फॉर्मेशन होती है. आफ्टर द फर्टिलाइजेशन द ओवरी ग्रोज इनटू अ फ्रूट. व्हाट हैपन? जो भी फ्यूजन हुआ है मेल एंड फीमेल गैमेट का, वो कहां पे हुआ है? इनसाइड द ओवरी. सो आफ्टर द फ्यूजन द जाइगोट डेवलप एंड व्हाटएवर द पेटल्स, सेपल्स आर देयर, दे ऑटोमेटिकली ड्रॉप्ड. ओके, जो पेटल्स है, सेपल्स है, वो निकल जाते हैं और उस ओवरी का फॉर्मेशन फ्रूट में होता है. ओके, सो आफ्टर द ड्रॉपिंग ऑफ petals, calyx, the whole ovary develop into the fruit. Okay, and the ovules inside it become seed. Whatever the ovules are present inside the ovary, that ovules convert or change into the seeds of that fruit, and that seeds we use to grow a new plant. For example, mango fruit. Inside the mango fruit you get one seed. So whatever pulp is there, that pulp you use as a food, and the seed you can use to grow a new plant. So this way whatever the plants, flowering plants are there, that flowering plants, flowers converts into the fruits, and after the fruits, when we get that fruits, we can eat the fleshy material, and their seeds we can use to grow a new plant. So this is about our lesson, students. I hope you understood this lesson very well. Okay, so you can read the lesson one more time at home. Okay students, so here we have finished our chapter. Okay students.